Good morning students, a warm welcome to this recorded class. In the previous class we have discussed how the reported verb will change, okay, based on the different types of tenses if the reporting verb is in the past tense. In this class let us discuss when the reported verb will not change, okay, when the reported verb will not change, okay. Shall we discuss? See, if the reporting verb is in the simple present or in the simple future, then the reported verb will not change in the indirect speech, okay. Understood? So, if the reporting verb is in the simple present or in the simple future, then the reported verbs will not change. Shall we take few examples? Okay, see, he says, I am sick. He says, I am sick. Now how you are going to change it? See, he says. Says is the reporting verb. It is in the simple present tense. So, the reported verb am will not change. That is, the tense of the reported verb will not change. The tense of the reported verb will not change because am is a simple present tense. You will get simple present tense only. Okay, so here now if you see here, I changes according to the subject of the reporting part. And here you join the reporting part and the reported part with the conjunction that. See here, he says that, okay, I changes according to the subject of the reporting part. So what you'll get here, she, he is. So because it is third person singular pronoun, you won't get am there. As it is a third person singular pronoun, you will get is. He is sick, okay, he is sick. Next, let me take one more example. She says, I must leave soon. I must leave soon. Okay, now how you are going to change? She says, I must leave soon. So, you will get here, she says that. You join the reporting part and the reported part with the conjunction that. And you have here says, reporting verb is in the simple present tense. And you got here in the reported part verb, what did you get? Must leave. So, the tense of the verb will not change. She says that she, I changes according to the subject of the reporting part. She must leave soon, okay. Next, let me take one more example, okay. Vignesh says, okay, Vignesh says, I will not come to school. Come to school. See, Vignesh says, I will not come to school. Here, see, Vignesh says. Says is again simple present tense. And it is what? Reporting verb is in the simple present tense. So, here will not, do not changes to would. Will won't change to would because most of you will get confused. And here if you get simple present tense also in the reporting verb, you will change it as was. Most of you will get confused. So, don't get confused here. If the reporting verb is in the simple present tense, then the reported verb, the tense of the reported verb will not change. The tense of the reported verb will not change. So, here what you will get here? Vignesh says that. So, because here you join the reporting part and the reported part with the conjunction that. So, I changes according to the subject of the reporting part. So, what you will get here? He will not, okay, come to school. Come to school, okay. Now, we have taken reporting verb as simple present tense and we have taken few examples. Now, let us take simple future reporting verbs and will make changes, okay. Will make changes, okay. Let me take here example. The priest will say, truth is evergreen. The priest will say, truth is evergreen. Is evergreen, okay. Now, how you are going to change it? The priest will say, truth is evergreen. How you are going to change it? See here, the priest will say, you join the reporting part and the reported, here reporting verb is in the simple future tense. simple future tense. So it won't change. You join the reporting part and the reported part with the conjunction that. So here the tense of the verb will not change. What you'll get? That truth is evergreen. Truth is evergreen. Okay. Next, let us take one more example. My mother will say, okay, my mother will say, I shall go to the market. My mother will say, I shall go to the market. Now, how you are going to change it? See, my mother. So, here you got reporting verb will say is in the simple future tense. So, the tense of the reported verb will not change. The tense of the reported verb will not change. What you will get? Will say that. You join the reporting part and the reported part with the conjunction that. And here I changes according to the subject of the reporting part. So what you will get here? She, shall only you will get. It won't change. Okay, shall go to the market. Go to the market. Hope you all have understood, students. Now when does the reported verb does not change? When the reported verb does not change? That is when the tense of the reported verb will not change. I'll tell. So these two you have done now. Next, the tense of the reported verb will not change if the reporting verb is in the past tense, but it is a universal truth. But the reported part is a universal truth. Then the tense of the reported verb will not change. Shall we take here? Yeah. The teacher said the earth revolves round the sun. The earth revolves round the sun. Now how you are going to change it? The teacher said, you got the reporting verb said. That is past tense you got. But still you are not going to change the tense of the reported part because the earth revolves round the sun is the universal truth. So there is no change. Universal, every time the earth revolves round the sun only. We can't change it. So here the tense of the verb will not change. You have to write like this. The teacher said that, okay. The same, the statement comes the same. What is that? The earth revolves round the sun. The statement will be the same. The earth revolves round the sun. Okay, there will be no change in the statement because it is a universal truth. Okay, next let me take one more example. Okay, everybody says, everybody. If it is a simple present tense also, no problem. The reporting verb is in simple present tense also, no problem. But the universal truths will not change. Okay, says walking is good for health. For health. So though it is in simple, normally if it is simple present tense doesn't change, but here it is universal truth also. So tense doesn't change here. The reported part will not change. Okay, see here, everybody says that walking is good for health. Is good for health. Okay, students, good for health. Hope you all have understood this, students. Have you all understood? When the reported part will not change, if the reporting verb is in the simple present or in the simple future tense, then the reported verb, the tense of the reported verb will not change. The tense of the reported verb will not change, it will be the same. Next, if the reported verb, if the reporting verb is in the past tense and if you get the universal truths, normally you know that if the reporting verb is in the present tense or simple future, if it is universal truth also it won't change. Normally the tense only will not change of the reported verb. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, then the universal truth, if the reported part is the universal truth, then it does not change. It will be the same. The tense of the reported verb will be the same. Hope you all have understood this video.